Hello everyone, this is Adithi and today I'm gonna talk about classes and objects in OOPS with Java. Today we're gonna talk about what is a class, syntax of class, and two examples of classes, objects, syntax of objects, example 1 of objects, example 2 of objects, and summary of class and objects. Coming to class, class is defined as a logical template to create objects that share common properties and methods. Hence, all the objects given in the class will have the same methods or properties. It is also defined as a template used to create objects and to define object data types. There are three parts of Java classes, which are as follows. Fields. Fields, they hold the data for an object. Fields records what an object needs to know to do work in the program. Constructors, they don't construct the objects. The classes makes the objects and then executes a constructor to initialize the value of the fields. Methods, they define what an object can do or the behavior of the object. Coming to the syntax of class, the syntax of class consists of the name of the class should be followed by the keyword class. The body of the class is enclosed within the curly braces. All the data members and member functions of the class are declared inside the body of the class. Syntax of the class is given by class, class name, open parenthesis, class body, and close parenthesis. Coming to the examples of class, the first example of class is here the class is dog, and there are four different dogs. Each dog is having different attributes as breed, age, color, and also contains behaviors as bark, sleep, eat. As you can see from the figure, dog 1 and dog 3 are having attributes, whereas dog 2 and dog 4 are having behavioral attributes as shown in the figure. The second example is public class vehicle, open parenthesis, private int doors, private int speed, private string color, private void run, close parenthesis. This program states that vehicle is the class name and the class body is private int doors, private int speed, and private string color. Class members are doors, speed, color, and the public void run is the instance method, whereas doors, speed, and color are instance variables. Coming to objects, an object is an instance of Java class, meaning it is a copy of a specific class. Java objects have three primary characteristics: identity, state, and behavior. Identity. The identity of an object is a unique identifier, such as memory address, ID, or even a name. State. The state controls aspects of an object. In case of describing a fan, you could have an on, off, low, medium, or high state. State monitors behavior such as turning a fan on or off. The state will change when the behavior happens. Behavior. Object behavior is also used to describe what an object can do, such as fan turning on or off or changing speeds. Coming to the syntax of objects. A syntax of object contains symbols, lists, and consonant values, such as numbers, that essentially correspond to the quoted form of the expression. For example, a representation of the expression plus 12 contains the symbol plus and the numbers 1 and 2 all in a list. The source location information is used when reporting syntax errors, for example, and the lexical binding information allows a macro system to maintain lexical scope. To accommodate this extra information, the representation of the expression plus 12 is not merely plus 12, but a packaging of plus 1, 2 into the syntax object. Examples of objects are in the above diagram, the the car is the car and is divided into various companies of cars such as Camry, Benz, Caprice, Sonata. Here, object is the car and it has various characteristics or different companies as shown above. Second example of objects is here the vehicle is the class and the objects are car, truck, and cycle as shown in the figure. And objects are also instance of a class. Now coming to the summary on class and objects. A class is a collection of objects. Each class represents a collection of objects with common attributes and a set of operations. Classes and objects are used to decompose a large system into real-world abstractions that can form the basis for analysis and design. A class declaration names the class and encloses the class body within braces. The class name can be preceded by modifiers. The class body contains fields, methods, and constructors for the class. Thank you.